Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is OPPO A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. Alright, so firstly to add a home screen widget, we have to hold on our wallpaper like this, and now right here, as you can see, we have widgets option. So we have to click on it, and next we have to choose whatever widget we want. For example, this one. And here is our widget. And if we want to remove this widget, all we have to do is just hold on this widget and click remove option. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!